Welcome to your dream home, brought to you by American Dream Realty, where dream homes come true. Country living at its finest, quiet and secluded. 3-bedroom, 2-bath home on 2 acres with detached carport and newer front and rear decks. Property has newer roof and HVAC along with a detached workshop with electric. Plenty of room for family and friends. Won't last long. Submit your offer today.